So guys, when it comes to the writing task 1 of academic, most of the students face difficulty when they are not able to write the correct synonyms, the correct vocabulary, and in that case they do not get good band. So when it comes to writing task 1, I feel that this is one of the easiest tasks in IELTS, because when you get the question, each and everything is given in front of you. You just have to elaborate the information. But when it comes to elaborating the information, you must have the right set of words, right set of vocabulary in order to score good. So if you can clearly see on the board that I have given an example of a line graph. So you can see different trends in this line graph. So I will tell you to use a lot of different words in order to mention the different trends in the graph. So when you keep on mentioning the different trends in same words, it leads to the reduction of band. But when you mention with its synonym, then it becomes good for you. So when you can see the task in front of you, first of all you need to summarize that what points you are going to write. I will discuss the format in some other video, but in this video right now I am only going to focus on the words that can be used to put in information. So as you can see that I have made some points in the graph. Now these points represent different trends, as point this and this has a decreasing trend, and from here to here it is an increasing trend. From this point to this point again it is a decreasing trend, but this decrease and this decrease is very different. This is a constant period, this increase and this increase again a very different increase, although there is an increase, but it's a very different increase. So let me just change the last pattern and make it like this. Now this looks like a zigzag pattern. So one by one I'm going to write the words. You can note it down and you can use these words. These words are also given on page number 78 and page number 79 of your workbook. So this is a decrease. So these are the synonyms that you can use: decrease, decline, shrink, and fall. Rise, mushroom, escalate, incline, and increase. Now again this is a decrease, but what generally happens is we have to describe the information in the correct manner. Although this is a decrease, fine, but this is a sudden decrease. So you will also use an adjective with the verb. So verb is decrease and sudden decrease is the adjective. Sudden is adjective and decrease is your verb. So you can say sudden decrease or drastic decrease, dramatic decrease, incredible decline, or incredible fall. Now this period is a constant period. So you can mention it stable, constant, and remained same. Now when it comes to the increase, again you have to use these adjectives: sudden increase, dramatic increase, drastic increase, incredible rise. So you have to use these adjectives when the increase and decrease is sharp. So when it is a normal increase and decrease, then you can simply use the verb. Now this period, You can call it zigzag pattern, a lot of changes, a lot of variations. So this is how you use different set of vocabulary to mention your writing task 1. You can also turn on to page number 78 and 79. There are hundreds of vocabulary words, synonyms that are written to use in the writing task 1.